Microsoft Surface Duo Release Date, Price, Specification. Almost a year since Microsoft first revealed its foldable device to the world, the Surface Duo launches today, August 12. Pre-orders for the dual-screen phone are now live, and however much you thought it might cost, we'd wager a bet Microsoft has shattered your best guess. The Surface Duo starts at a whopping $1,399, and it'll land in stores on September 10. The Surface Duo runs Android and folds, but it's unlike any folding Android phone out there today. Microsoft held a virtual briefing for media this week where it offered a wealth of live demos and a deeper look into the Surface Duo's design and philosophy. Here's what we learned about the Surface Duo, along with everything you should know before taking the plunge on one of the year's most anticipated, and most expensive, high-end handsets. Microsoft Surface Duo, Price and Release Date. As noted at the onset, the Surface Duo costs $1,399 and goes on sale in stores and online starting September 10. You can pre-order the phone now, with unlocked versions available through the Microsoft Store and Best Buy. For now, the device's loan carrier partner is AT&T. The unlocked model supports all three major networks in the US, Verizon, AT&T and T-Mobile. To put the Surface Duo's price in context, it's $100 more than the pricey Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Among foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Flip is cheaper at $1,350, though you'd pay more for the 5G version of Samsung's foldable flip phone. At least the Surface Duo doesn't approach the $1,980 price of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Microsoft Surface Duo, Performance. Back when Microsoft unveiled the Surface Duo in late 2019, the company was adamant that the device's hardware wouldn't change in the year leading up to release. Well, true to its word, and perhaps disappointing for buyers, the company has kept that promise. The Surface Duo is powered by last year's finest Qualcomm mobile chipset, the Snapdragon 855. Now, the 855 is no slouch, even by today's standards. But the newer Snapdragon 865 features a CPU rated 25% faster and a GPU that's 20% faster than what's inside the 855, not to mention 5G connectivity. When you're dropping premium laptop money on a smartphone, you typically don't have to settle for last year's chip. What's more, the Surface Duo sports just 6 GB of RAM. That puts it even with the just-released $349 Google Pixel 4a, and comes in at half of the 12 GB offered in the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. There's 128 GB of storage in the base model of Microsoft's device, though a 256 GB option is available. Unlike many Android phones, however, the Surface Duo lacks a microSD slot to expand storage further. Microsoft Surface Duo, Camera. In an era when every smartphone maker is talking up their camera, Microsoft has taken a different approach with the Surface Duo. For starters, there's only one lens on the phone, and it sits in that big bezel above the display on the right, facing you as you open the Surface Duo. If you want to snap a photo of your surroundings, you rotate the screen so that they're back-to-back, effectively turning your front camera into a rear shooter. On paper, that camera doesn't seem to be anything outstanding. It sports an 11-megapixel sensor with an f/2.0 aperture that Microsoft says has been optimized with artificial intelligence to offer amenities like portrait mode with adjustable depth control, a dedicated low-light mode and super-resolution zoom up to 7x power, which sounds similar to what Google bakes into its Pixel cameras. It can also capture 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, and benefits from electronic image stabilization. If you're considering either Samsung's Galaxy Note 20 Ultra or the Surface Duo as your next workhorse, but you also really care about camera quality, it's safe to say the Note and its triple camera array should still be at the top of your list. Nevertheless, here's hoping Microsoft can still extract great-looking photos out of the Duo's humble little lens. Microsoft Surface Duo, Battery and Charging. With dual 5.6-inch OLED displays, you'd think the Surface Duo would have an absolutely massive battery. Interestingly though, it's rather small considering the device's proportions, weighing in at just 3,577 mAh. That's not incredibly tiny, though it is surprising considering even the iPhone 11 Pro Max, with its single 6.5-inch display, is backed by a larger 3,969 mAh unit. Additionally, the Surface Duo doesn't support wireless charging, which is perhaps even more shocking given the device's price. At least the phone comes with a USB power delivery adapter, which should refill the battery relatively quickly at 18 watts. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.